Sa videong ito ay bibisitahin natin ang lalawigan ng Aurora. Pupuntahan natin ang pamilihang bayan ng Baler kung saan makabibili ng mga sariwang isda. Stopover din tayo sa Digisit Beach kung saan matatanaw ang nakamamanghang rock formations. Ma-refresh sa malamig na tubig ng Digisit Falls.
Ma'am Nilda.
Hi! Welcome to
Joey. Digisit Falls. Ito yung Digisit Falls. Taas pala yan. Hi Sky. Hi. We're here at Digisit Falls.
Akitin din natin ang makasaysayang Ermita Hill kung saan lumikas sa mga nakaligtas sa sakuna na Tromba Marina, isang tsunami na tumama noong gabi ng December 27, 1735 kung saan ang buong bayan ng Baler ay nilamon ng tubig dagat.
Dalawang bata. Good morning mga behero, dito tayo sa may Baler, Aurora. Bali dito tayo nag-stay mga behero sa Stars and Suns. Suns and Stars. Basta yun. So ito yung mga kubo nila na for rent.
Isa na naman panibagong adventure ang ating pagsasamahan mga biyahero. Tara mga biyahero at sama-sama nating libutin at silipin ang mga pinakatinatagong yaman ng Pilipinas.
Okay. Yung patagsalo.
Alright, so mga bro, dito tayo ngayon sa may Maria Aurora. Dito sa Aurora, Millennium Tree. Wow. Grabe yung laki. Ay, ito po. Ay. Yan, napasok din natin itong Millennium Tree ng Maria Aurora. Naka-jacket pa ako. Hindi ko wild yung mga isda niyo. Wild. Nagtatanong na buhay. Isang mapagpalang umaga, tanghali na pala mga behero at welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Nandito tayo ngayon sa may Amco. Ayan, ito yung Amco dito sa may Baler, Aurora. Ito yung sinakyan natin, yung van ni Sir Eldridge. So nandito yung mga kasama natin. Sana natin syempre si Sedi. Hey! Hey! Si Sedi, si Ma'am Nilda.
Hi!
Tsaka si Zoe po. Joey. Si Joey.
Mag-hi ka na.
Fist bump.
Ayan na naman siya.
Yeah, fist bump, fist bump.
Fist bump daw, fist bump.
Yun. Yan, kasama rin natin si Ma'am Luz. Hi po. Tsaka si
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi five. Hey. Hi five. What's your name? Sky.
Guys.
Sana. How old are you? 4 years old.
Where are you from?
Where are you from? Si Sir
Hi!
Eugene. Sir
Yes.
Eugene po, tama.
Yes, yes.
Tapos si Ma'am Benilu. Ayan, si Ma'am Benilu. Ayan po. Yung parents ni Sky.
Through the trails of Arkansas,
Let me tell you what I saw.
oh, it took me by surprise. Been around the country twice.
Through desert hills and snowy pines, but
Arkansas took me by surprise. Let me tell you that I
to
tried.
find a state more pleasing to the eye,
I took a picture everywhere I went. Captured sunsets from the sky.
witness the Oregon sunrise, but
Arkansas took me by surprise. Oh, spend a little time, you'll know what I mean.
Grabe yung lakas ng hangin dito mga behero. Grabe yung lakas ng hangin. Dito kami sa may Baler, Aurora.
Campton, tents in Tennessee.
damn
Ganda naman ang pool
dogs
nila.
out in the key.
Ito said.
On the streets of northern Washington.
Oh, may halo na halo mga behero.
Fished in
Ayos. Ito yung kanilang pool. Mukhang mababa lang naman.
Arkansas took me by surprise. Oh, spend a little time, you'll know what I mean. Oh, if I had more time, no, I would never leave. Listener, take my advice.
Don't visit once or even twice.
As far as you know, I've never told a lie. Set up camp or by a house.
Take your kids, even your spouse.
Arkansas took me by surprise. Oh, Arkansas took me by surprise. Well, Arkansas took me by surprise.
Hermit crab. A hermit crab.
Injured! Injured!
She don't like small talk or crowded sidewalk. She don't like small talk. She don't like to say a lot, but she don't mind restful sacred mornings, listening to the rain. She don't like big crowds or
Meron tayong dadaanan dito na falls. Ito pangalan ng Big Falls.
don't like big crowds. She's just a country mouse, but she don't mind listening to my shaky voice.
Talaga nga, Dredge. Wi-Fi ako ito.
Glass of wine by the fireplace, trading memories.
Along the way lang sa along the road. Dito kami galing sa
She don't like the rat race or the numbing fast pace of the city's mad chase. Smiley plastic face.
Ma'am Nilda.
Hi! Welcome to
Joey.
Digisit Falls.
Digisit Falls. Ito yung Digisit Falls. Ang taas pala yan. Malakas to. Hi Sky. Hi Sky. Hi. We're here at the Digisit Falls.
Don't like small talk, muddled dark thoughts. She don't like small talk, racing against the clock. But she don't mind restful sacred mornings, listening to the rain.
Enam na lang. Enam. Dalawang bata.
Kapihan sa Ermita dito sa may Balero, Aurora. view deck. Tapos may mga kapihan.
Southern
Stop
bell
over tayo dito sa may
ringing
kapihan
in my head.
sa Ermita. Meron sila ditong view deck.
Louder now than it's ever been. When I left, you were standing guard. Something tells me you never got too far. Southern belle, fairest of the ball. Lovers wait in an empty hall. Their invitations press around the room. Take the hand of any you should choose. You look for maps in a patterned sky where no one laughs. Every time you cry for what you cannot find, like peace of mind.
Let's go. Where are you going?
Southern belle in your ivory tower. You watch the night unfold his rule full power. The morning breaks in through the eastern sky, steals you from the shattered arms of night. You look for maps in a patterned sky where no one laughs. Every time you cry for what you cannot find, like peace of
Baler.
mind.
Magkakano pa yung ganito? 180.
Magkakano ng salad yung halo-halo namin.
Kasing laki ng palo.
Kulang yung pera niya.
Kain tayo.
Hindi, makaan.
Nagalo-alo ko sa
Halika na.
Speaking at Charada de Paco. Good fight, good fight.
morning mga behero, at dito tayo sa may Baler, Aurora. Bali dito tayo nagstay mga behero sa Stars and Suns and Stars, basta yun. So ito yung mga kubo nila na for rent. So sa mga mag-overnight stay, pwede kayo mag-kubo, pwede rin yung mga tent doon. May mga malalaking tent na naka-pitch. So yung ganitong kubo mo, pero 2.9 siya. Pakita ko lang yung loob. Good for 4 persons. Yan, bali may dalawang bunk bed. Tapos CR. May hot shower. Morning, Sky.
Say you're happy.
Morning, Sky. Hi, Sky. Morning. How was your sleep?
That is how mud crab look like. This one is
I wanted this too.
This one. What's a crab?
Oh, here, you hold.
The claw.
Yeah.
Hold.
Claw.
no, that one.
Oh, that one. You hold
That one is
the
a shrimp.
That's a big shrimp.
Yeti braki.
Claw.
No, this is also claw. Smaller claws compared to that one, that crab.
Sakay dito yun, sakay.
I have that
Okay.
claw and
Show them. What's this?
crab.
Crab and shrimp. Shrimp. Say shrimp. Sky. Shrimp. Yeah.
People in the valley, they don't understand what makes and takes the breaks and forsakes a man. People in the valley, they don't understand the hands which built the roads and shoveled coal. Seeds were sown, dews were rolled, but goddamn didn't go to plan. I've been trying my best to be a working man. When dark clouds come, my love, she cries, she cries, she cries, she cries, she cries. Miss mountain sky, tell me why do I have to try so hard to get by? I've been eking out, seeking out, just scraping as I go. Tell me, how did I hit this all-time low? My mama in the valley, she's been so worried. Come on down from that wretched land and please hurry. Come on down. Come wash your face, wash your hands of that place. Why must a man break his soul on the rocks of the rivers of the mountains? Oh, but I can't, not just yet. Can't change a man when his mind is set. And early in the morning when I rise, my love, she flies, she flies. Miss mountain sky, tell me why do I have to try so hard to get by? I've been eking out, seeking out, just scraping as I go. Tell me, how did I hit this all-time low?
We're in Aurora Rapids. How are you guys? Welcome to my channel.
No matter what they say, Miss Mountain Sky, I'm here to stay. You know that I'll never go, grow old with you in the snow. The town will take me nailing too. Miss Mountain Sky is my only truth. Even though that wind does blow, I don't wanna be in that town below. This mountain sky, she gives me wings, and when I rise I hear her sing. Miss Mountain Sky, tell me why do I have to try so hard to get by? I've been eking out, seeking out, just scraping as I go. Tell me, how did I hit this all-time low? How did I hit this all-time low? How did I hit this all-time low?
Alright mga behero, stop over lang muna tayo dito sa may welcome signage ng Baler. Dito mag-plaza sila dito. Dito tayo ngayon sa may Maria Aurora. Dito sa Aurora Millennium Tree. Wow. Maraming laki. daan?
Dito, picture tayo.
May isa rin po doon. Mali naman po. Parang naririnig ko si Sir Eldridge kanina. May lang years na dito.
Ayaw kayo.
Wow! Ang laki. Sige, ready, tara, taas tayo. Yan, napasok din natin itong Millennium Tree ng Maria Aurora. Napakalaki.
Wala oh, biscuit yung tiger. Tiger biscuit.
Hindi lalong mag-hyper yun.
Ah, gutom siya.
Share mo din sa taas.
Hindi nga galit sila sa isa't isa eh.
Wala na rin tubig. Wala siyang tubig.
Oh. Oo.
Katsik.
Oh.
Oh.
Ikaw, gusto mo. Wala, ubos na niya. Ubos na yun. Ibigyan mo yung pinakbait.
Oh, kaya na mag-open. Alam na mag-open.
Kahit sa